Hello from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Mini Paceman here on a 2015 plate. I'm just going to show you how to reset the brake fluid warning light. If I just switch the ignition on, I'll show you exactly what I mean. So switch the ignition over without pressing the brakes. As you can see in the middle there, that's the service. But I've already checked it. It's for the brakes. To check it, all you do is press this button till you get to set info. Once you get to set info, press and hold that same button again. And then go to check the service information, press and hold the button. As you can see now there, that's for the brake fluid. I've already done that, and I've done the oil change as well. So I'm just gonna reset the light for you now. So what you need to do is, before I do any of that, so let's go back home, press and hold the button. Right, now all I need to do is press and hold this button right here. Now the brake fluids come up, so I press and hold this button till it says set, reset. Sorry, then I let go of the button, press it again, keep hold of it. You can see the clicker tickers on now. So that's it. Now if I wanted to see and reset the others as well, I can do that at the same time. So which everything is all up to date, so I'm not going to really do anything else. So what I now need to do is switch the ignition off, take the keys out, switch the ignition on, start the car up. Now there's no warning lights. If I press back onto service, set info, press and hold the button, let go of the button, press it again onto service info. Now as you can see, everything there is spot on. Right, that's it. That's all you had to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, there is a playlist for BMWs. I mean, Mini is part of BMW anyway. So yeah, do check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and goodbye.